Hi guys,
Hi guys.
welcome to the Rova Vibes Fitness, Wellness and Lifestyle Solutions. I'm your fitness coach and nutritionist Rahul Aryan with psychic tarot card reader and life coach Samad.
Hi guys.
So guys, जो भी इस फीड पे आ रहा है प्लीज कमेंट करके हमें बताएं और इस फीड को शेयर करते रहें। आज का जो सेशन है बेसिकली जिस तरह से आप सभी देख ही पा रहे होंगे स्क्रीन पे लव गाइडेंस ऑल सन साइंस फ्री मिनी लव रीड्स। तो इसमें इस रीडिंग में पहले आपको फीड को शेयर करना होगा इफ यू लाइक, ठीक है। अदरवाइज आप कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं तो ऑल सन साइंस के जो 12 सन साइन है उनकी रीडिंग के बाद आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं अपना जो कि रिलेट होगा। और मैं बताना चाहूंगा आज का जो सेशन है ये है बेस पूरा हाउ डू दे फील अबाउट यू, राइट।
Right.
तो ये एक तरह की लव रीडिंग होगी, मतलब आपका पार्टनर आपके लिए क्या सोचता है, कैसा फील करता है, नॉट सोचता है कैसा फील करता है, ठीक है। तो उसकी गाइडेंस कार्ड निकालेंगे हम। और गाइस अगर आपका क्या सन साइन है वो प्लीज आप कमेंट में मेंशन करें, ठीक है। इन द मीन टाइम यू कैन शेयर दिस फीड। हाय ज्योति मैम, हाउ आर यू? Moin, good evening Moin, after a long time, it's been a long, yeah, hello. सो गाइज आप सभी को पता होगा हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल है, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। यूट्यूब चैनल पे सभी ये लाइव फीड्स को हम डालते रहते हैं, साथ में फिटनेस, हेल्थ, लाइफ कोचिंग और बहुत सारी रेमेडीज हम डालते रहते हैं, उसमें स्पिरिचुअल टाइप की भी। तो आप जाके उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम पे भी सेम द रोवा और नवाइड नेम से ही है। शुभांगी सिंह, हाय रति मैम, same to you Rati ma'am. Yes Jyoti ma'am, we are good. Yep, it's hectic due to Ramadan. Happy Ramadan to you Moen. That's why I'm able to match the timing. If I'm not wrong, ईद भी आने वाली है, ठीक है, 2 दिन बाद मेरे ख्याल से
Friday.
फ्राइडे, ठीक है। तो आज की जो टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग है ये बेसिकली है जैसे कि मैं बता चुका हूँ हाउ डू दे फील अबाउट यू। और ये हमारे कौन से कार्ड से, कौन से टैरो डेक से रीड करने वाले
We
हैं हम?
will be using the angel deck today
ओके
to give this reading, and we will start off in some time. I am looking forward for people to share this feed.
सो गाइज आपका जो भी कोई क्वेश्चन होगा वो प्लीज आप इस फीड पे रहिए और 12 सन साइन की रीडिंग के बाद आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी दिया जाएगा,
So
ठीक है। जैसे आप पढ़ ही पा रहे हैं लव गाइडेंस फॉर ऑल सन साइंस एंड फ्री मिनी लव रीड्स।
I think, and again, when I'm talking about sun signs, I'm talking about sun signs with Western astrology. So please अपना मून साइन नहीं डालेगा। मून साइन का मतलब होता है आपका नाम जिस अक्षर से शुरू होता है उसमें जो आपकी राशि होती है वो मून साइन कहलाता है, जिसे वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी कहते हैं, जो कि हम हिंदुइज्म में फॉलो करते हैं। बट व्हेन आई गिव रीडिंग्स, बिकॉज इट इज बेस्ड ऑन टैरो, आई फॉलो द वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी। सो प्लीज अपने डेट ऑफ बर्थ के अकॉर्डिंग please let me know what your sun signs are so that I know the kind of audience I have and the kind of energy I'm getting from you guys.
We had Eid today because we follow calendar. Okay, so happy Eid Moin to you.
Happy Eid, Moin.
So मोइन प्लीज इस फीड को शेयर कीजिए और जो भी इस फीड को देख रहा है प्लीज हाई, एटलीस्ट हाई का मैसेज कीजिए, हमें पता तो चले हमारी फीड पे कौन कौन आ रहा है, कौन कौन एक्टिव है। मोइन भी काफी दिन बाद एक्टिव हुए हैं। शुभांगी, हाउ आर यू? ग्रेट, गॉड ब्लेस यू। 25th April, but Virgo. I'm also a Virgo, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, but 25th April is actually Taurus if we follow Western astrology. So Virgo आपका राशिफल के हिसाब से होगा हिंदुइज्म. So जब भी आप कोई चीज फॉलो करते हैं एक पैटर्न फॉलो करिए. When I talk about sun signs मतलब वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी, मून साइंस मतलब वर्गो तभी होगा तब आप मून साइन के हिसाब से उसे फॉलो करेंगे. That's how it is.
Yes, Subhangi, we are also fine. Thank you.
Taurus is actually an earth sign. Earth sign people are actually very, very down to earth.
So guys, आप अपना क्वेश्चन 12 सन साइन की रीडिंग होने के बाद पूछ सकते हैं. In the meantime, please share this feed.
I'm actually waiting for people to share this feed.
We will going to start sooner.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What about other people? Only one person has shared their sign. Why don't you tell people about this? I don't know how it looks like in the feed.
So guys, यहाँ फीड के कमेंट में हमने व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ट्विटर, यूट्यूब सभी के लिंक डाले हुए हैं. प्लीज आप फॉलो करिए. ठीक है, आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं इफ यू लाइक. आई नो यू लाइक. शेयर. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग. 14/8 Leo. Shubhangi is Leo.
Hi Tanya.
Hey Tanya, we are good. How are you?
Shubhangi is a Leo. Great.
How are you, Tanya? Are we audible? Properly audible? Please guys, let me know. Are we audible or not?
I'm not getting too many shares, which is why I'm not starting. So I am sharing. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for helping. This guidance is going to be for the current period of May 2021. Yesterday was new moon. There was a video on Facebook, on YouTube that we shared, which was about new moon ritual. And ये abundance check एक हमने share किया है. It is a law of attraction technique, and it was shared yesterday. We are getting good views on that. And angel number 888 was also premiered. We are getting awesome views on that. And thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Say something.
About my health. जी गति मैम, अभी ये सनसाइन की रीडिंग जैसे होना शुरू होगी, पहले हम शेयर कर रहे हैं तो बिकॉज इनफ शेयर नहीं आए अभी तक. इसके बाद आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर किया जाएगा. और हाँ, ये चीज मैं और बतानी भूल गया, अभी हेल्थ रीडिंग नहीं हो रही है. हेल्थ रीडिंग जनरली हम करते भी नहीं थे लास्ट, लेकिन जो हमारी फीड रही है उसमें हमने हेल्थ रीडिंग दी है. ठीक है, तो उसमें सनसाइंस के लिए हेल्थ रीडिंग है. आप चाहें तो उस फीड से देख सकते हैं.
According to your sun sign, you can check your health rating.
No problem. Didn't understand.
Okay. There are a few people watching us. We talk about YouTube things, and people participate and everything. There's so much to say. What's wrong?
So guys, YouTube पे आप सारी फीड देख सकते हैं जो भी आज से पहले हमने की हुई है. ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट सभी लाइव हमने शेयर किए हुए हैं वहां पे, तो आप जाके उन लाइव को देख सकते हैं. उसमें हेल्थ के बारे में भी काफी चीजें बताई हुई हैं, और उस फीड को प्लीज आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. शेयर कीजिए, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ऑलरेडी मैं कमेंट में भी मेंशन कर चुका हूँ, सभी के लिंक दे चुका हूँ, जिसमें कि इंस्टाग्राम भी है, फेसबुक पे तो खैर आप हमें देख ही रहे हैं, यूट्यूब चैनल भी है, उसमें ट्विटर है, लिंक्डइन भी है। ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट सभी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम अवेलेबल हैं, तो आप कहीं भी चेक कर सकते हैं। और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को। और नेक्स्ट जो हमारी फीड होने वाली है वो हेल्थ से रिलेटेड होने वाली है, न्यूट्रिशन और मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट से रिलेटेड होने वाली है। मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट के मैंने लास्ट जो फीड करे थे वो प्रोटीन के बारे में की हुई है, और उससे पहले हम कार्ब्स के बारे में, कार्ब्स के बारे में, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के बारे में कर चुके हैं।
Okay, so here I am. Okay, guys, before I start the health readings, I would like to thank everybody for all the love and support that we're getting, especially on the YouTube channel. We are getting awesome views. There is a lot of engagement over there. And it is absolutely amazing to see the trend is actually going really high when we look at the analytics. It is absolutely awesome, and that gives me a lot of joy. We are here today to do love guidance, and we are here to do love guidance. How do they feel about you? That means आपका partner आपके बारे में क्या feel करता है? We are talking about the emotions, for which we are going to be using the angel deck, and based on that I'm going to give a love guidance to all the sun signs. And फिर आपके जो भी questions होंगे, in which I'm not going to entertain timeline question कि ये चीज कब होगी, because ये इसके बारे में मैंने कल एक वीडियो भी बनाया है अबंडेंस चेक का, उसमें भी मैंने ये कॉन्सेप्ट कवर किया है. सो इट्स अ स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन टू आस्क ये चीज कब होगी, क्योंकि जब तक आप नहीं चाहोगे कोई भी चीज नहीं हो सकती है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट डिवाइन टाइमिंग. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, प्लीज गो टू द यूट्यूब चैनल. कल का जो हमने लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन का टेक्निक डाला है अबंडेंस चेक, यू कैन गो अहेड एंड डू दैट. इट वाज न्यू मून yesterday, and if you have missed it, so please google and find out when is the next new moon, that is अगली अमावस्या कब है, and तब आप ये रिचुअल कर सकते हैं, which is supposed to be done in the night. It is absolutely wonderful magic if you actually try that and you believe in witchcraft. So, and again, you know, to do anything you need to have faith and trust in the universe. So if you do that, it's absolutely going to be awesome. Now, like Rahul mentioned, we have a lot of feeds going on YouTube. There are 3 active series which are going on YouTube. One is the health and happiness series, जिसमें Rahul was talking about the carbohydrates, and next time we are going to do sugar, which is this Sunday. So we're going to see you again this Sunday. So that is one series which is going on. The second series is about the angel numbers, okay, which we are at 888 right now. So next week 999 is going to be premiered. Third is the spiritual remedies, छोटे छोटे remedies जो आप घर में कर सकते हो for your protection, for your family members, to bless yourself, to make your dreams come true, to get the love that you desire, to get the job that you want, for travel, for business, for studies, anything that you want. Please go over there, and there are absolutely about 5 to 6 remedies which are mentioned over there, all tried and tested. And if you do that, please let me know the results. You can also post your comments over there. And now we're going to start with the readings. That's all I have to say.
So finally, we are going to start. Let's start. ठीक है. So first reading हम देते हैं, first sun sign के लिए reading देते हैं, Aries.
Okay, Aries is the child of the zodiac, which I say, which is my sign, so I'm always a child. Okay, it's absolutely fresh energy for any given time. Aries are actually self-starters. They know how to start a project and to maintain that. So leadership qualities which comes to Aries. Now again, we're talking about love signs over here. So how is your partner feeling about you, Aries? This is a general reading for love, so I hope it resonates for you. Let me know if it does. Okay, so Aries, we're getting angel of energy fields. Okay, here मुझे ऐसा दिख रहा है कि your partner, you know, he's slave to the technology right now. He's actually given up. He's actually so involved with everything that has to do with technology. Phones हो गए, tablets हो गया, digital media हो गया, social media हो गया. So he's all occupied with all of that, and unke around now there are too many electromagnetic frequencies, which is why he needs to protect himself and take little breaks to get back on track. And I think that is why you can help him. So he is looking forward for you to channelize him to get him back on track. So that is what your partner is looking at. So what I feel over here is that you can amplify this protection from the draining forces, because हम जब भी कोई चीज too much करते हैं या उस चीज को बैलेंस करने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, because of the habits that we form in our lives, it takes time to get back on track. So that is why you have to help him to channelize his energy. When we talk about angel of energy fields, okay, we're talking about getting him in the right energy field where you can help him channelize his work, his life, and his support system. So encourage him to take periodic breaks and get him to re-energize himself. So that is what he is feeling about you. That is what he is looking forward from you, is that support. So that was for Aries.
So please speak slowly, can't listen properly.
You would have to actually listen to the recorded feed. Reason being, this feed is going on YouTube, and we have a lot of international clients who are not able to catch up. So I am going to be doing these sun signs in English, but when I'm going to be doing the readings, I will speak slowly then. So there's a reason why I'm speaking slowly. Speaking fast. Yeah.
So next reading हम Taurus के लिए.
Okay, so last reading is for Taurus. How many people have actually shared their signs here? Taurus and Leo. Who else do we have? Has anybody else shared the signs?
Not yet.
Okay, so we are going to be talking about Taurus here. Let's see what we have for Taurus. Okay. All right, Angel of Health and Happiness. Health, wealth, and happiness. So here we are talking about your partner. When I say we're talking about your partner, he is worried about your health. He is worried about how you are doing financially as a person, and he's looking forward to support you. When I'm talking of financially, it doesn't mean that you do not have money. It simply means that he is looking forward to give you that support, to get you that independence that comes from the money factor. So we're talking about that over here. So here, you need to take the necessary steps to improve your well-being as a whole in order to help him to support you. And at the same time, eat health promoting foods and incorporate exercise in your day-to-day life. And that is going to give you that extra edge of well-being, which is very, very much required due to this pandemic. So this is something which is advisable for all sun signs anyway. So you have a good fortune, and he's looking forward for you to have a charmed life. So that's what we have for Taurus.
So Taurus, all the best.
Thank you.
And we have a Taurus on our feed.
And yes, we have a Taurus, and we have a Capricorn.
So next sun sign is Gemini.
Okay, Gemini, Angel of Loyalty. Gemini is here. There's a little bit of an ick that I would like to mention here. The thing is that your partner is actually having issues with your loyalty. If you are being loyal to him, you need to prove that. Okay. If you are being loyal to him, that's how the reading is. I know it's a little funny. I was not expecting that. But again, for Gemini, they have loyalty issues. They have loyalty issues with you. So here, either if you are being loyal, you have to prove your loyalty. If you're not being loyal, I think it's a red alert, and you know exactly what to do. So please, do not get disloyal with your partner, because they are able to sense it. So we're talking about, it could also be lack of trust sometimes, which may also trigger the disloyal feelings. So again, you have to go and reconnect with your partner over here. And it is all about building trustworthy relationships. So that is what he's trying to do, and that is what he's trying to feel, that you have to step up, you have to take the initiative to go forward and take those steps in order to maintain that trustworthy relationships. And of course, when you talk about a relationship, people are looking forward to have reliable people. So please take care of the faithfulness issues, and this is what the advice is, which is coming for Gemini, which is all about dependability on your partner and fidelity. So again, loyalty here. So again, if you are being loyal, so go and reconnect and try and reassure your partner, and things will be back on track.
So Gemini.
So this is for Gemini. This is an absolute
Gemini. It is time for wake up.
Please wake up and go back and reconnect.
So next reading is for Cancer.
Cancers. Okay, Cancers. Okay. Cancer is angel of inner strength. I don't know if you guys can see the card, but I hope you can hear it. Inner strength. Your partner actually wants you to be strong at this time. Cancerians, they are always looking at the fact that anything that happens, you're always looking at their faces as to what to do, and they're sort of tired with that approach. They want you to be strong and sometimes handle your own issues, Cancerians. So please, try and be a little independent and try to do things for yourself, because you're magnificent enough to handle your life in your own way. It's not a good thing to depend on your partner for every small thing. And again, you need to embrace this power within you, your inner strength. You have to embrace this within yourself, and you need to know that you're strong enough to set healthy boundaries when it comes to a relationship. So here we're talking about setting up healthy boundaries. So this is for Cancerians.
Good. So, Subhangi, are you there? Next reading is for Leo.
Leo.
Subhangi Singh, are you there?
Yeah. Okay. I'm checking the shares. Okay, great. So we are at Leo's. Leos, angel of balance over here. For Leos, it says that you are dealing with a situation with your partner which is not in balance right now, and he is not feeling very happy. Maybe there are feelings of jealousy. There's some sort of an inflammation. When we're talking about an inflammation, it could be because of a third party. Maybe there are feeling of jealousy, maybe a friend or something that that is bothering you and making you insecure. If not that, then it could be about certain situations in which you're not trying to balance. For example, work and life balance, your work and life balance. Maybe you're giving more time to your work and less time to your partner. So there has to be a balance in everything to take this relationship forward. And I think this is why the angel of balance is trying to tell you that, try and handle the imbalances in the relationship. There has to be, both need to be equal. Sometimes, there are times when the other person is making more efforts, but then, there should be another time when you also reverse the roles. So I think this is what is something that you need to do. And why you do this, you need to also balance your emotions through other things. For example, if you cannot go and speak to your partner, you can journal this thing, and do a little bit of exercise and healthy communication. So take care of your body at this time, and be good and stay safe. That was for Leos.
So all the best, Leo.
Now,
शुभांगी, अगर आप फीड पे आते हैं तो प्लीज इस फीड को यूट्यूब या यहाँ पे बैक करके देख लेना. So next is Virgo.
Virgo. Okay. Angel of communication. Okay, Virgos. Okay, here again, your partner, what he or she is feeling, that you need to quiet your mind, and you need to accept the communication that they are trying to send to you, which are not just from them, they are also coming from the angels and spirit guides around you, which they are able to channel to you. So again, true communication is about in listening, okay, and speaking and observing. So you just don't have to do just the listening bit or just the speaking bit. It's about the whole process. So listen, understand, speak, reassure, whatever. You know, it's a two-way process. And you also need to note the messages that the spirit guides are trying to tell you. That is an additional guidance which is coming with the star. Notice the nature and the surroundings, and sometimes there are signs that pop up which is trying to give you a message that you're on the right path, and that is where you need to focus. So again, pay attention to that as well, Virgos.
So next reading is for Libra.
Libra. Sometimes you remember all the sun signs. Right. Libras, angel of creativity here. Libras, here I feel that your partner is involved in some sort of creative project, or they are thinking about starting something new, and he also feels that the time is very fertile and very good for your partner has good ideas for this, and they feel they're able to build something really great and magnificent. So he wants you to help him have the courage to take this action to make their dreams come true. He needs your undying support at this time, Libra. So you need to allow yourself to make yourself available to for them to create whatever they want in their lives. And this is what is coming with the angel of creativity. Hi Anu, so good to see you after a very, very long time.
सोनू हम बहुत अच्छे हैं. हाउ आर यू? सोनू अगर आपको मालूम है तो प्लीज अपना सन साइन बताइए. ओह माय गॉड,
Oh my God, happy
happiest birthday to you, Anu.
Awesome. It's
God
your
bless
happy
you.
birthday. You are a Taurus. We have already covered Taurus. That was the second sun sign. You can see the recorded feed.
So next is Scorpio.
You can ask your question at the end. Scorpio. Let's see what we have for Scorpios. Scorpios, we are getting an angel of protection here. This is sort of goes with the general tarot reading which I've given, because I remember with Scorpios there were a lot of aces which came in the spread for the May month. Again, this angel of protection is also coming in. Um, Again, when there is a lot of changes coming in, a lot of new beginnings are coming in, there is always a lot of change. So here, I think your partner who is supporting you is fearing that you would betray them, or you are threatening them in some way. They're not feeling very safe with you, and that is what they want with the angel of protection. They want to feel protected. They want to feel safe with you. So that is what your partner is feeling, that you have surrounded yourself with a lot of negative people and untrustworthy people, and your partner is trying to tell you as well, but you're not listening to them. So Scorpios, listen to your partner and make them feel safe. This is what they want, and that is when you also have to focus your intention in deflecting their negativity, because they're also getting negative with accepting your negativity that you're giving to them. So Scorpios, please take care of that. Angels are watching towards you, so I'm sure you should be able to do it. You are blessed.
So next reading is for Sagittarius. Yes.
Sagittarius is another fire sign. Sagittarius, angel of action. Okay. Sagittarius, your partners are actually feeling that you're procrastinating. Procrastination is nothing but not attending to the thing when they're supposed to be attended. You're trying to push the things away which are necessary. You know these are your priority, but because of XYZ reason like lethargy or lack of interest, you're pushing the things which are necessary, you're pushing them away, Sagittarius. So you need to take the action over here and complete what you've planned. And that is what your partner is feeling, that you are not doing justice to what is supposed to be done. And maybe that is the reason they are the way they are, and maybe they're not speaking up because of this, and they're tired of speaking up with you about this again and again. So Sagittarians, you need to speak up for yourself, and you need to take hold of the situation for yourself, and you need to follow through. If you make a plan, you follow through. You don't leave the plan in the middle and wait for somebody else to come and do the things for you. It's not happening. So you need to take the necessary steps required to, get your projects, your things running, and of course, have the confidence to do it. If you're feeling nervous, your partner is there to support you. So that was for Sagittarius.
So next reading is for Capricorn. Jyoti ma'am is Capricorn.
Yeah, for Capricorns, let's see what are we getting.
Raise your hand if you are still on the feed.
I'm sure they are on the feed. And there are ugly tensions, let me tell you that. Okay. Angel of nurturing, Capricorns. We're getting an angel of nurturing over here. It says that your partner is feeling broken-hearted. He is feeling unloved. Okay, and the partner is saying that you need to take the time to nurture him, and you need to know he needs to know that he is loved. So he's not feeling loved by you. You're in your own stride, so you need to open your heart to him, and you need to allow this care coming from the heart and letting him do whatever he wants the way he wants it. Okay, you don't have to access control over there, and only what you think is right should be done. Let him do what he feels like, and that is where he's very broken hearted, in a lot of pain, Capricorns. um, I advise you here to have a little bit of compassion towards other people and ask them how they are, ask them how they're doing, let them speak for themselves. And that is how the relationships evolve. It's a give and take over there. So it's your time to give. Capricorns, and I'm sure you're going to do a good job of that. Please nourish yourself and your partner. This is what they want to do. They want to nourish themselves. Angel of nurturing.
Okay, so next reading is for Aquarius.
Aquarius, let's see what we have for Aquarius. And I think Aquarius and Pisces, and after that, if there are any questions, we will answer that. Otherwise, we'll go off. Okay. Aquarius, angel of good fortune for Aquarius. Let's see what your partner would like to let you know. Oh, your partner is actually wishing for more of luck for you in this situation. There are things which are not working properly, and they're just praying for you so that things come back on track. They want you to be more lucky in your situation that you are in. Maybe there are some ups and downs which are going financially or otherwise. So be assured that your partner is trying their best to give their energy of prayer and their dedication and care towards you. So know that and accept that energy, and that is going to be lucky for you as well when you support your partner in their endeavors like this. And that is when Aquarians, you need to focus on the vast abundance which is there so that you can attract more of it. So first of all, you try and attract the blessings your partner is giving you in this situation if there is any up and down, and then the rest of the things will come into flow, Aquarians. So all the best over here. It also looks like it is a great time for travel. Additional guidance.
So next and last reading is for Pisces.
Yes, for Pisces. As I also like to mention when I do these readings, because these are psychic readings, they come as I say it. I don't plan on saying anything. I look at the card and tell you what I feel. So that is why it is called channeled. I'm connecting with the source. So that is why it is called channel. It comes like a flow. Pisces, angel of self-confidence, Pisces. See what your partner is trying to say. Your partner actually feels that you're lacking confidence right now, and he finds it very difficult to get you to accept yourself as a person. You need to accept yourself as a person. He's trying to boost you. He's trying to make sure that he's trying to push you to a level where you know that you are a good person. You know that you are capable of things, but you yourself are not accepting that. And he's very tired of doing that. He's trying to push you again. He's trying to invoke the confidence inside of you, Pisces. So you need to make him, you need to let him help you. And you need to acknowledge the fact that you have the power and focus what is required to do whatever it is that you want, and that is going to increase your self-esteem. So accept the support which is coming in for your partners, for your own good, for your own well-being, and you need to do that in a very, very loving way. Pisces, don't get irritable at them. That is not going to be taken down very nicely. So please shine your light nicely, brightly, in a loving way towards your partner, and let him help you at this time because you need it more than him. So that was for Pisces. And we're done with the love reads.
So I thought, according to our feed, it's done for today.
Yes, we're done for today. Since there are no other questions, we are switching this off right now. We can give mini love read guidance if there was a question, since there are no questions and very little interaction. So we are going to end this now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this. This feed is going to be available for YouTube, for the YouTube audience as well. And if you have missed it, please watch the recorded feed about your sun sign.
Thank you so much for your support. Do subscribe, please. Thank you.